Welcome everyone. Today I'm gonna cook braised fish. Here are the ingredients we're gonna need for the dish. I marinate the fish with some minced garlic, minced shallot, a teaspoon of chicken powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of MSG, and half a teaspoon of pepper. And finally, a teaspoon of fish sauce. Mix it well on both sides and marinate for 15 minutes. Heat up the pan, add some oil, and then we add a little bit of ginger, minced garlic, and shallot. Fry them well, and then we add the fish. Fry the fish on both sides. When the fish turn golden brown like this, we add a cup of water, 3 tablespoons of liquid caramel, Remember to turn the fish frequently. Cook it for about 10 minutes. And there you go, a nice and delicious braised fish.